Hello friends, my name is Radha. Today we'll discuss about a topic, the difference between Kanban and Scrum. So today we'll discuss the differences between Kanban and Scrum. So friend, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start, friend. Friend, what are the main differences between Kanban and the Scrum? First of all, we have to understand that Kanban and Scrum both are the project management and software development methodology. We use these two methodologies, Kanban and Scrum, to implement the software projects. Okay, Kanban is also implementation methodology, and Scrum is also a implementation methodology. So as per the topic, what is the main differences between both these approaches to implement a software project, Kanban and Scrum? First of all, the roles and responsibility difference. Basically, friend, whenever we are implementing a software project using Kanban, there are no specific role for role for a team. Although there may be still be a project manager, the team is encouraged to collaborate and chip in when any one person becomes overwhelmed. So basically, friend, there are no specific roles and responsibilities except you can say project manager in a Kanban. However, in the Scrum, there are specific roles and responsibilities are there, like the Scrum Master, Product Owner, Scrum Team. So there are specific roles in the Scrum. So first of all, this is the main difference. Then the due dates and delivery timeline. Products and processes are delivered continuously on an as needed basis. Like whenever the work is completed, we change the status and we deliver it to the customer. So this is the concept of Kanban. However, basically you can say this is the as and when needed basis. There is a concept. However, in the Scrum, deliverables are determined by the sprints. There is a concept of sprint in the Scrum. A sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period. So within the 3 to 4 week time period, within the sprint, we have to deliver the things. So the second difference is there is no specific dates and delivery timeline in with respect to Kanban. The thing is that whenever the things are completed as and when needed, we can provide it to the customer as and when needed basis. Okay, this is the concept. However, in the Scrum, there is a concept of a sprint. Like on the basis of a sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period, we deliver the things to customer. Then the delegation and prioritization. The Kanban uses a pull system or a systematic workflow that allows team members to only pull new tasks once the previous task is complete. The Scrum also uses a pull system, however, an entire batch is pulled for each iteration. What does that mean, friend? Basically, in the Kanban, whenever we are delegating the tasks and prioritizing the things, in the Kanban there is a concept of workflow. Workflow means that, friend, whenever task is completed, so to get the new task, there is a workflow. There is a concept of workflow through which we pull the task, we get the task to start a new one. Okay, this is the concept in Kanban. In the Scrum, there's also the concept of pull system. That means once the sprint is completed, so from the product backlog we get the new task to start a new sprint. So there is a slight difference between the delegation and prioritization between the Kanban and the Scrum. Modification and change request. The Kanban allows for changes to be made to a project midstream, allowing for iteration and continuous improvement. Changes during the sprints are strongly discouraged. So, friend, whenever we talk about Kanban, during the implementation, we can do the changes and we can accept the changes in the Kanban. However, in the sprint, the changes are strongly discouraged and they are not you can say they are not allowed. Measurement of productivity. The Kanban measure production using the cycle time or the amount of time it takes to complete one full piece of a project from beginning to end. Okay, there is a concept of cycle time to measure the performance of productivity in the Kanban. However, in the sprint, in the Scrum, measure production using the velocity through sprint velocity is a concept that each sprint is laid out back to back and concurrently, so that each additional sprint relies on the success of the one before it. What does it mean, friend? Basically, in the scrum there's a concept of velocity, that how many tasks are completed on average in a sprint in a 3 to 4 week time period, so that it can be considered as a velocity. Velocity means that how much work has been completed in a 3 to 4 week time period. So by using the velocity and sprint, we can measure the performance of our work. Best applications before project best for project with the widely varying priorities. See, friend, if you are implementing like websites, and you know that there may be so many changes are coming in the development, so you can use the Kanban approach. And the Scrum best for teams with stable priorities that may not change as much over time. Friend, whenever you know that the teams which are stable, they are self-organized, they can take the decisions, so and you know that there may be not changes are coming, so the Scrum is best for these types of project. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.